Hi, I'm Devin. I'm the head of customer service for Vive Health, and in this video, I'll show you how to assemble and install your Vive bed rail. Included with your order, you will find one U-shaped support hand frame, two locking pin collar tabs, two L-shaped base frames, two leg extensions, one U-shaped mattress frame. Step 1. I have the U-shaped mattress frame and two of the L-shaped frames here. Our first step will be fitting the L-shaped frame along its long end over the long end of the U-shaped frame. Make sure that the L-shaped frame you're attaching, that the adjustment holes here line up with the brass locking pin and that they're pointing out. What you do is just fit that over, press the locking pin down until you get the L-shaped frame over it. Slide that down to the desired level and then turn it so that this is facing down and you'll see the locking pin pop into place there. And again on the other side. Cover that up. Slide that down. Twist it to lock it in place. Step 2. We'll now fit the U-shaped handrail into the tops of the L-shaped rails. We'll start by removing the little locking pin collar tabs. You should be able to just pinch and they pull free there. Set those aside. Now fit the U-shaped frame down and in. Give that a little bit of an adjustment so that it settles down inside. Once you reach a height that you're gonna like, take the locking pin, press it into the hole, and it'll click right through. I'll do it this way so you can see it there. Make sure the holes are aligned in the U-shaped frame and the L-shaped frame. Put the pin in and push in. Step 3, I've turned the rail over so that we can show how to install the leg extensions. The leg extensions will fit over this way. You'll just depress one of the locking pins, slide that down until the locking pin pops into place. Press the locking pin again, and just push down until the extension pops into the level that you'd like. And again here, press that down, slide it over. When I'm sliding it like this, I've twisted it a bit so that the pin doesn't click into each hole. So just give it a twist, adjust it, and your rail's assembled. Step 4, now that we have the rail assembled, we're going to fit the U-shaped base rail here underneath the mattress, either between the mattress and the bed frame, or in some cases, the mattress and a box spring. Lift that up there. Slide that into place. If need be, the height of the leg extensions here can be adjusted with the locking pins on the insides of either leg extension. And just like that, your bed rail is installed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.